Introducing Neucha tel Permatec, the ultimate hybrid waterproofing system. A primer coat is applied to the substrate. A peel test should then be carried out to ensure adhesion to the substrate. The perimeter detailing should be carried out in 2 layers using the 3-pass method. The first layer is installed bedding in the fiberglass reinforcement layer. The second layer should then be applied and protected by a bituminous membrane protection layer. The horizontal layer should then be applied in 2 layers of 3mm. The first layer is applied using a squeegee, incorporating a reinforcement layer into the product while it is still hot. A second layer is then applied. A protection sheet is now installed to protect the membrane. Finally, a depth gauge test should be carried out to ensure the correct thickness has been applied, and the QA should then be complete. All applications should be in accordance with the Permatec installation guidelines.